because we masukkan dia apa lah, enter in
Yeah.
for jail
Get in
to
jail,
get
high facility,
to get pelajaran ni mana tu,
Get listen, eh?
get lesson.
get listen, to dia menyesali lah,
Masya Allah.
menyesali apa yang telah dia
Regretness.
perbuat.
Regretness, and
Regretness.
apologize, and
Yeah, apologize all the innocent.
If kita give his hack
Facility.
facility
Yeah.
in jail,
It's not fair for those people. Not every people, right? Tidak adil, not fair.
tidak adil kan, itu bukan sebuah
Lesson.
lesson,
Ya, lesson. Pelajaran.
bukan sebuah pelajaran buat dia, sama kayak di luar lah,
Ya, jauh, ya.
nggak ada bedanya.
Yeah, not different.
Yeah, it's different.
Not different. So when I saw that the television, you know what? In that prison, they have facility like spring bed, and then air conditioner,
Yes.
and then a DVD, and then television, refrigerator, everything. You know what? So imagine that. I think, in my opinion, that was the money is very important. You can buy everything. That's why I don't like for
Bukan, oh,
you know
yang
what?
tu.
Yes,
This is not fair, right? What do you think? What their friend, those friends, you know, appetite, to regard that high facility like that. They were, bedroom, a dirty room, and then those people, those room, a lot of cockroach, and then mosquitoes, you know what? So imagine that in that high facility, in the get air conditioner, refrigerator, then DVD, television, everything. Can you imagine that? Who those people beside that? I couldn't believe that. I couldn't imagine that. How cool Indonesia like that. That's why.